Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how I master retweet on Twitter. So you can see this is my software that I use. So first, I have account management. This function will help you to add and manage a limited Twitter account. So I can choose the account that I want here. So I can log in to own account I select. So you can see the software will auto open the browser like this, and we will log into each account. So that's how I manage and log into own my account. So to mass retweet, I will go to viral marketing. So here you can see this have many options here. So I will choose setting tweet. So I will set up the configuration first. So first I will enter the link of the tweet that I want to retweet. Next I will set up number of threads. Number of threads, I mean number of account running in the same time. And number of each account will retweet. In here I will choose repost, and I can enter the company here. Comment type, you can select the type like this. Next I will select the account that I want to retweet. After everything set up, I will restart and let the software do the work. So you can see the software auto open the browser like this, and we'll log in and we'll retweet with the link that I already set up in the configuration. So basically I just showed you how I must retweet on my retweet tweet on Twitter. So basically I just showed you how I retweet on Twitter with my software. If you need more information, please contact me on my Telegram, WhatsApp. The detail will be down below in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching and subscribe to the channel.